Hello and welcome to CIT85, HTML and CSS. You're going to learn how to make websites in this class, and I'm excited that you're here. This is a very important video. This video is going to show you how to do everything in the class. So let's jump right in and take a look. First thing you want to do to get to the class is you want to go into my portal here, and you're going to log in. And so once you're logged in, you'll go into Canvas. So I'm just looking for my mouse. There it is. And inside Canvas, you're going to go to CIT85. So you'll click on that. Now this class is a 9-week class. And so that, you might be seeing this video before the class starts. You're welcome. The class is now live. You're welcome to go into the class and to start doing work. And then when we start going through the weeks in the class, when we start actually going through our 9-week class, you'll see this start to change. You'll go from week 1 to week 3 to week 5 to week 7 to week 9 to week 11, 13, 15, 17, and then the class will be over week 18 weeks in the semester. So I've structured this class to kind of follow 18 weeks, but since we're only doing it over 9 weeks, we're going to be doing 2 weeks of what I've structured into the class every calendar week, right? So every calendar week, every 7 real days in the world, we'll be doing 2 weeks of work in this class. So the first calendar week, we'll do week 1 and week 2 here. The second calendar week, we'll do week 3 and week 4. The third calendar week, we'll do week 5 and week 6, all right? So all you have to do is, you could start working right now, and this landing page here is always going to say week 1 until the class starts moving, and then you'll see it start to go week 3, week 5, week 7. Every week it'll go up 2 weeks. And what you do is you just come into assignments and you look to see what do I need to do to be up with whatever that says, right? So if it says week 5, you need to do through week 5, right? You need to do through week 5 work. So if it says week 1, do week 1 and week 2. So if it says week 3, do week 3 and week 4. If it says week 5, do 5 and 6. There we go. That made more sense. And so here are the assignments you need to do. Where do you get the instruction for those assignments? So back here on this landing page, there is a link for the course outline, which is really helpful. And here's the code that you could get, that I wrote, so you could see examples. And then here is the course right here, right? So you're going to open this up and you're going to buy this course. And so right now this course is usually like under 15 bucks and $16.99. You could email me if you want, and I'll send you a coupon so you get the best price. So that will bring it down to like 11 bucks. But buy this class, and then all of the videos are right here. And so you just start watching these videos, and as you watch these videos, they will kind of teach you what you need to do with the assignment. So watch the videos here until you learn how to do whatever you need to do in this assignment. You watch the videos until you learn that, and then you come over and you do the assignment over here. I hope that makes sense. When you get down to the stuff on SVGs, there's things on SVGs that gets a little nuanced, and we're not covering that in this class. So you could just skip the stuff on SVGs. Likewise, if you need to learn how to use an editor, you could go to my courses here on Udemy, and just take me to all my classes. There we go. And there is a class in here that will teach you how to use Visual Studio Code. It also shows you how to do some GitHub stuff. So if you need to learn how to use an editor, this is a really good class. You can jump in and start knocking that out. So that's how you do the work in the class, and that's where the lectures are, and there are the assignments. Come in here to monitor your grade. You could get started on the work in the class right now, and make sure you also take a gander, take a look through the simple syllabus. That's where you'll find, the standard grading material, how the class is graded, and the start and end dates, and then also my contact information is in here somewhere right there. So there's my email, toddmcleod@gmail. So go ahead and, jump in and start working on the class and do work every week. And you can work ahead if you want and just watch this thing when you log in, right? Just see what week we're in and make sure you've done up through that week plus the next week. So if we're in week 1, you want to do week 1 and 2. If we're in week 3, do week 3 and week 4. If we're in week 5, do week 5 and week 6. Because we're doing 2 weeks in here for every real calendar week in the real world. All right, I'm glad you're here. I hope that all made sense, and I look forward to helping you learn HTML and CSS. so that you could create some amazing, awesome web pages. Welcome to class.